we used to know for our own faith that makes us known to the world. Over the years, we have Filipinos have proven that we are people with an industrious attitude. This is seen by others as Filipinos being helpful as domestic helpers working abroad to help their family in the country. But at the same time, it is also present in our own country, where we have to strive hard to earn our daily meal. Even though the government provides us small support, we choose to engage in other businesses, like our own version of Filipino, like our own version of Filipino, like our own version of local markets and second-hand stores. Otherwise, many people choose to take risks in micro businesses or the so-called sari-sari stores in Shanghai. Some of us would also pursue engaging in transportation, fishing, and bicycle.
5 minutes and 5 minutes.
So, by looking at this example on how we overcome and face our everyday struggles in life. However, Filipinos are born naturally risk takers. We always choose to emerge on something that can give us betterment and success in life. That no matter what, we are Filipinos, and we can still surpass all the challenges that make us down. And with that, we should be proud of. Aside from that, Filipinos is one of the most religious countries in the world, particularly in Catholicism and Islam. This is shown by how families encourage and strengthen the values of their children, and would have at least one day a week for worship, and at the same time, strengthening family ties. I can say that religion is one of the foundations of our country's morals and values. And sometimes, the church greatly affects the minds and opinions of many Filipinos nowadays. Our country, Philippines, is a hotspot for disaster. Couple that with poverty, and others would always think that we Filipinos have the most reason for being a depressed people. However, we have demonstrated that we are Filipinos, can bounce back from a tragic, emerging stronger and better than before. That no matter what, we can still manage to smile because we are Filipinos. And be hopeful that the next morning can bring us new hope. We have shown the world that when working as a nation, we have what it takes to be recovered from a bad situation. With all of these good traits, one would really be proud to say, I am a Filipino, in mind, heart,